Hello?
Hi, Mom. How you doing? Just wanted to know if you're still at home. I've been trying to reach Dad. His line hasn't been connecting.
I just left home now. What is it?
Nothing. Just wanted to know if you're still at home.
Where are you presently?
In school, of course. Where else do you expect me to be?
Make sure you come home early this time. Okay? I have a business meeting to attend and it's going to keep me late. Come back early and prepare dinner.
But Mom,
There are no buts, no excuses this time. Bye.
Mom.
Yes, dear.
Was that Abby?
Yeah.
Okay.
Elvis, my son. Elvis. My son! They've killed my son for me! Elvis! Elvis! Elvis, your daddy is looking for you!
Please, accept our condolence and
those criminals will not go unpunished.
Elvis, I can't believe this.
Mr. and Mrs. Thompson, we feel your pain and we pray God to give you the fortitude to bear the painful loss.
Please. To bear which loss?
The cat.
So I will see Elvis again. Is that what you're telling me? Ha! Hey! Please take heart. Huh? I want my son. Elvis, come back to mommy. Every small minute, where's my son?
Take heart. There's nothing we can do now. Take heart. Oh?
Please, dear, pull yourself together. Okay?
I want to see my son. I need my son. I want to see him. You can't tell me to take her out. No. Please. Help me, Hey!
God, you both don't understand how I feel. Tell me, how will my parents be able to cope? What about my dad?
God is alive. By His grace, there will be a way. Just believe that, okay? Okay?
Lillian, you don't. You both don't understand.
Mina is right. Stop crying now, please.
Elvis, where are you? Where are you, Elvis? Where are you?
Yes? Who is there?
Officer, that's the criminal. Arrest him.
I see. Mommy, I don't understand. Who is a criminal? What is going on?
Police. I am Detective Mike from the State Security Office. And this is my partner, Detective Vera. You are under arrest for robbery and murder.
What is going on?
No come back, no come back. No come back. Unique sound. Come on.
What?
Now handcuff me.
Please, can you explain
No,
to me?
handcuff
My
me.
mother is not at home. Eh? Madam, easy, please.
Officer, please take him away.
Thief. Criminal.
Cause I believe in me. Oh yes, I believe in me. And nothing can subvert my dreams. No one will decide for me. Cause I believe in me. Oh yeah. Surrender.
Mr. Man, are you ready to talk now? Where are your accomplices?
Officer, I have no accomplice. I am innocent and have no idea of whatever I am being accused of.
How can we find them?
Officer, I don't know what you're talking about. I don't.
I see. You don't know what I'm talking about. For the last time, I'll be asking, where are your accomplices?
And I will no longer speak a word if I don't get a lawyer.
You can only get a lawyer when you have given us the information we desire for our investigation.
No, officer. I am entitled to a lawyer. It is my fundamental right.
Okay, so you're stubborn, right? I see. I think you wouldn't be finding it easy. You got to take a second look at your game plan. Because what you got there is a joker.
So, sir, will you be breaking a law while trying to enforce one?
Where are your accomplices, Mr. Man? Where are your accomplices, man? I'm asking you for the last time, Mr. Man.
Where are you going to in a hurry?
My sister is my son, Toby.
What about him?
He was arrested yesterday by the police.
Yes. I overheard Mama Joy saying something about police, but I didn't bother asking her what happened.
It's my son.
Oh.
Okay, the fact remains that I am rushing to the police station to know what he did. Whatever they say he did, when I come back, I will let you people know. Oh, let me rush. I'm rushing to the place. Oh.
You can lock me down, but you can never ever take away the spirit. I'm a survivor. I'm a survivor. Oh no, yeah. I am innocent. Yeah, I am innocent. Yeah, say I am innocent. I am innocent. Hear me. Oh yes, I believe in me, and nothing can subvert my will. No one will decide for me, 'cause I believe in me. Oh yes, I believe in me, and nothing can subvert my dreams. No one will decide for me, 'cause I believe in me. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh no, 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 no. I will never surrender. Never surrender.
Please, you have to help me out of this place. I don't know what they're accusing me of. I don't know why she's doing this.
Why is Abby's mom doing this to you?
I don't really know. I don't know. I am innocent.
My son, please. I know you very well, but please tell me, did you do it?
Mommy?
It's okay. I know you did not, but I just want you to assure me that you did not do it.
I'm sure. I can never lie to you. I've never lied to you.
My son.
Hey, madam, you don't do. Not beyond, I won't do this to our family cry something. Come, oh boy. Oh yeah.
Toby.
As for you, I'll soon put you in the cell. Since you called your people.
I don't do anything.
Thief.
No, they call me thief.
Criminal. I don't want to hear your mouth again.
Come inside. Is there a question of going inside? They arrested my son. What? They arrested him, charged him for murder and robbery.
How did this happen?
I don't know. I don't know how to start it though. Just as I know my son is not there. Let's go inside. Brother, be fast about it.
The same question is on my mind. I don't know who she is.
I know her. She's Toby's mom. Good day, Mama. How are you doing?
I am not fine. I am not fine.
What happened?
Toby is innocent. My son is not a killer. I'm not fine. You people should leave my son alone, please.
Mom, what is she talking about?
Your son is not just a criminal. He's also a cold-blooded murderer.
Hey!
Talking about only sons. Your son shot and killed my only son.
My son is not a criminal. He's neither a criminal or a killer. He can never kill anybody.
Hey, hold it there. Any day I see your legs around these premises, I will get you arrested and put you where you will never see the daylight for the rest of your life.
My son has done nothing to you. Leave my son alone. My son has done nothing to you. My son is innocent. Leave my son alone. Leave my son alone. Leave my son alone. I'm not getting anything again. My son is innocent. My son is innocent. My son is innocent. Leave my son alone. Leave my son alone. Hey.
Welcome, ma'am. Welcome, sir.
Where's my boss? It's okay. My son is innocent, though. What will I do? My son is innocent, though. Leave my son alone. Hey, where's my brother?
Mr. Toby, I am Barrister Mary. I've been assigned by the police to represent you in court. Now, before we start, I have seen your statements with the police, but I have some questions for you so we can know how we can proceed from here. Are we good?
Are you a lawyer?
I've seen the look before. Now, let me tell you the truth. I'm not too young to be a lawyer. So can we get down to business?
What do you want to know?
Good. You see, for me to do this job, I need you to trust me. So please trust me with the truth. The whole truth and nothing but the truth. Are you ready?
But Mom, this is unfair. This is so unfair. How come you never told anyone that you suspected Toby? Not to mention arresting him and charging him for robbery and murder. Why, Mom? Why?
Well, now you know, don't you?
Now this is preposterous. Are you sure you're normal? No, are you normal? Are you okay? My son got killed. And you had a suspect in mind. You never deemed it fit to inform me.
Hey! Hold it there. Whatever I choose to do about my son's death is none of your business. After all, you weren't there when it all happened. My 10 million naira was taken away from me at gunpoint by that criminal. And my son was murdered in cold blood. Getting that criminal arrested is a good step to start with.
But Mom, Such decisions are not for only you.
Oh, will you shut your trap before I shut it for you? But she's telling you the truth. It's the truth she's saying here. You to take such a decision of this magnitude by yourself is wrong. You ought to have at least informed me or at least discussed it with me.
This conversation is over.
On the contrary, this conversation had just begun. Because I don't believe for a second that Toby has a hand in murder of Elvis. I don't.
I said this conversation is over. I need to rest my head.
There she goes again.
By the time I prove myself right, I will tell you that Toby is a thief and a murderer.
Mom? Mom! Dad, what is going on?
Okay. It's okay. Just relax. Relax, huh?
What is going on here? Eh? What is the noise for? What are you people celebrating? I ask, what are you people celebrating? Are you in a party hall?
Officer, don't worry us. But they bring that leg now. So we don't sing Jana for our general again.
Oh, your general? Jared for your general. Listen, let me tell all of you. I will not have you make this kind of noise again. Don't you know that the controller is around? Eh? Put yourself in his shoe. If you are the controller and you are present, this kind of noise is ongoing. What do you think you will do? Eh?
Officer freestyle also. Our mind no good. Huh? Go carry your own come warriors. For please move already. Yes.
Listen, just like I said earlier, I hate repeating myself. If I come back here with this kind of noise, you will not like me. Have a good day.
Wait.
Boy, hey, give me that little man, make him go.
Mr. Toby Ojukwu, you stand accused for armed robbery and murder, punishable under the criminal laws of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. How do you plead? Guilty or not guilty?
Not guilty, my lord.
Mr. Toby, where were you between the hours of 11 a.m. and 12 noon on the 15th of May?
I think I was...
You think? You seem rather uncertain and perplexed. Do I take it that you were not at home on that day?
No, I was at home.
Can she attest to that? I mean, your mom?
Yes, of course.
Meaning she was with you at home?
No, she wasn't.
Interesting. So, where was she?
In her canteen, selling.
And where is this canteen of ours located?
University of Port Harcourt.
let me get something clear here. Your mom was in her canteen while you were at home, right?
Exactly.
Meaning you were the only one at home at that time, right?
Yes.
Can you specifically tell me what your mom was doing in her shop at that time?
Objection, my lord. Irrelevant.
Very relevant, my lord. Especially if he must authenticate his claim that his mother was aware of his presence at home.
Overruled. The suspect should answer the question.
Thank you, my lord. So, Mr. Toby, I ask again, what was your mom doing in her canteen at that time of the day?
I was selling, no. I was selling, no. I was selling. Order.
Well, I really cannot say for sure. But probably she could be attending to customers.
She could be attending to customers. Is there any possibility that your mom could be doing something else in her shop other than attending to customers?
Possibly, yes.
Well, the bottom line is that you do not know what she was doing in her canteen.
Yes.
Mr. Toby, look at me. Take a good look at me. Where do you see yourself in the next 7 years?
Well, I think...
Let me tell you where I see you. I see you in jail, waiting to be hung by the neck until your last breath.
Objection, my lord. This is baseless. It's a preemptive and inflammatory as nothing.
Sustained.
Thank you very much, my lord. That will be all for now.
My lord, I would like to...
Then share the person. Share. 2 to 1.
No go wait.
2 to 1. Sharp.
Who will start with?
You don't give them there. You can do 1 cup. Open out you. And to make it drinking water, where that your water? More down. Keep on here.
It's you one job.
Hey, stop that. Stop that. Not here. This is all the colors like this now. So Nigeria don't they use woman being to do 200 hours for Abi?
Hey,
See how he yellow like
where do you carry from?
Like
that's you what you carry on. You tell us say you lost.
Look here.
Hey, you don't look at finish.
Yes. What's in the line?
10 and 30. That is 10,000.
10,000. Pass me the love, pass me carry our general.
Then they carry money come here.
Yeah, you get laugh. Which kind do the carry money come here? General.
Just that man can
Go down. Drink the water now.
I don't know, say they carry money.
Shut up your mouth. Boy, wake up.
Come on. I'll go. The people say you don't know where you did. Drink that water.
Okay.
Beat me again, no. Okay.
I want to ask you something. And as I ask you, answer me.
Yes, sir.
What do you commit? What do you carry come here?
When I ask you question, you look me, and maybe your answer.
Shh. The way they see your eye. The way they shine eye like another thing. I don't say you don't want the person wife.
No.
Shut up your mouth. Shh. Hey, shh. Where they go, where they get where?
Sinking in the sinking sand. What am I gonna do? Walking on the sinking sand. Walking on the sinking sand. I'm walking on the sinking sand. Is it a crime to be poor? Is it a crime to be a nobody? But nobody's a nobody. Everybody can be somebody. You better be wise now. Walking on the sinking sand. Walking on the sinking sand. What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? Have you ever been lied against? Lied against? Do you even understand how it feels to be lied against? To be accused of a crime you know nothing about? This is just a sinking sand. Walking on the sinking sand. This is just a sinking sand. What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? Is it a crime? Is it a crime to be poor? Is it a crime? Is it a crime? Is it a crime? I'm walking under.
Is it possible? Helen, can you eat without your son? Helen, where is Toby to eat with? Can you eat alone? Helen, have you been eating alone? Ah, Toby, my son. Toby, my son, come and eat with your mother. Come and eat with your mother. Where is my son? Where is my son? Hey.
Dad, good morning.
Yeah. Good morning, my angel. How are you?
I'm fine.
You sure you're fine? Now tell me, what's the problem? What's the matter?
Nothing.
Hey, you can't tell me nothing. You're still on bed. You're not ready for school. Huh? It's already 7:30. You ought to be prepared for school by now. Or are you not going for lectures today?
Dad, I'm having a free period. I will make up the notes later.
I can imagine what you're going through. Okay? I can imagine what you're going through. But you don't have to allow this to weigh you down. You shouldn't, my daughter. Eh?
Oh, Dad,
Do you think he did it? Do you?
I don't know. I can't really say. You will just have to wait and see how it pans out, the trial.
Don't lawyers have their way of twisting the truth?
Well, but I'm sure that he will be well defended. Yeah.
Dad, I don't believe he did it. I don't.
I have told you to just take it easy, yeah? Be calm. Let's see how things pan out. Okay? Yeah? Let's see how the trial will go. Okay? Okay. Take it easy, yeah? So, yeah?
Henry, what is this news we are hearing about Toby's arrest?
Actually, we have heard from Fidelis. Have told us everything, but we just want to hear from the horse's mouth.
My brothers, the fact remains that my son Toby is innocent. Toby, my son, is not a criminal and can never ever be a criminal. Toby is not a killer. He's not a criminal. He's not a killer and can never kill anyone. Brother, my son is languishing in the cell for a crime he knows nothing about. He's suffering.
Experiences have shown that one cannot really swear for anyone.
Brother, I can swear for my son today, tomorrow. Any minute of my life, I will swear for my son. He's not a criminal and can never be. He has never hurt a fly.
We have had all you say. Certainly, I believe what you say. So, my elders, thank God you all have had her.
Then where do we go from here?
Subvert my way. No one will decide for me.
Good day, my elders. How may I help you?
We are here to see you, Oga.
Do you have an appointment with him?
No, but it is important to speak with him.
I'm sorry, I can't help. I can't let you. You can call him.
Maybe. But please, we don't have his number.
I can't let you.
Please, my son, kindly lead us to him. For what we came to discuss with him is a matter of life and death.
Life and death?
Yes.
Just a minute. I'll be back.
Sir, we are here because of Toby's matter. We are sorry for the unfortunate incident that led to the death of your son.
My only son.
Yes, please accept our condolence.
What condolence are you talking about? Why are you here?
But allow them to talk.
Match your break there. They should say why they are here and leave my house.
Please, we are here to plead with you on behalf of Toby, who is suffering in the prison for the crime we believe that he did not commit.
Please.
Oh, he did not commit.
But what makes you feel that Toby is innocent of the crime?
Yes, we believe that Toby is innocent of the crime he is accused. He's a very responsible young man who knows what he wants and how to get it without cutting corners.
Tell that to the judge. To the best of my own knowledge, Toby is a criminal, and I promise you, he will never escape the long hand of justice.
My wife, just be calm.
No.
Please, gentlemen, pardon my wife. You know, times like this, emotions are very deep. But the matter that has brought you here is already before a competent court of justice. There's nothing she and I can do. We cannot say today that Toby is free. We cannot. I'm sure he has a lawyer. The lawyer will come and defend him. And of course we have a judge. The judge will look at the merits of the arguments, and in the process, he will pass a judgment. I'd rather think that you just allow the court to take its course and do what they ought to do. So, with due respect.
With all due respect, for these things that God knows where they came out from, leave my house. Please, leave. Leave my house!
But they are our visitors. Huh? You should have treated them with some level of respect.
They don't deserve it! Nonsense.
Justice. 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 Don't keep me standing, don't keep me waiting. Justice. Don't keep me waiting, don't keep me standing. Justice. Oh, nah, oh, justice. Justice for the rich, justice for the poor, justice. Justice for the weak, justice for the strong, justice. Don't keep me down, don't keep me waiting. Justice.
I wish to inform you all that the judge will not be on seat today due to circumstances beyond her control. On this note, the sitting of today is hereby adjourned till further notice. Counsel, please come forward for the adjourned dates.
But the innocent is fighting for survival. You have to prove your case to be free. Even if you have to lie to be free. You don't want to stand for defeat. Oh no. Justice. You got to survive, so you got to fight like a soldier. Fight like a warrior. Oh no, no, no. You don't wanna lose this fight. You don't wanna go down there. Justice. Justice. Oh no. Justice. Justice. Don't keep me standing, don't keep me waiting.
Barrister Mary, if you ask me, I will honorably tell you that this case will not end in your favor, my learned colleague.
Barrister Alex, let us fold our hands and watch how the story goes. You see, when you prove to the court beyond reasonable doubt that my client committed the crime, then I will take him to your belief that this case will not go well.
Do you really want to go into this with me?
I beg your pardon.
I am Barrister Alex. I know the law. I eat and speak the law. As far as I am concerned, you have no case. And there are no chances of you winning.
Barrister Alex, a well-trained lawyer like yourself should know that it is too early to boast as a winner in a case that the trial only just began. Now, I suggest you hold your peace because you don't know what's going to happen. Have a nice day.
When shall I see my home? Oh, my home. When shall I see my waiting for? I will never forget my home. Oh, my home. Oh, my home. Oh, my home. Oh, my home. When shall I see my home? Oh, my home. When shall I see my waiting for? I will never forget my home.
What is going on here?
Officer, want to ask you a question?
Go ahead, what is it?
Officer, are you this wicked? Huh? Why is it that you can't take us outside to go and cut grasses and receive fresh air the way other people are doing? Why?
Is that your problem?
Yes.
Let me make myself clear to you. Those people you see me take aside, they are people that have been convicted already. What am I not saying? They are people that have been sentenced to serve in the prison as prisoners. But all of you, you are still on awaiting trial. So you don't have right the way they do. You can't go outside for labor. Your ways are restricted. You'll be reminded in the maximum prison until when the time is right. Have I made myself clear? I don't want to get further noise from any of you. Good day.
For what now?
Huh? See, let me tell you, I will not answer that question. If I get angry more than this, I will just bring you outside and shoot you. What are you talking? Are you stupid? Nonsense. I don't want to hear any other noise. Have I made myself clear? Now I.
Officer! Are you figuring?
Listen, if I hear any other noise from any of you, is it that hard labor you are seeking for? I am going to give you one.
This honorable court has your statement in record. But for the purpose of clarity and for the sake of this very trial, can you tell us what happened on the 15th day of May?
Before I left my house, I made a phone call at the balcony. The 10 million naira. It's not for any other thing, no. It's for my workers at the site. Yes. Let nothing happen to my money. Because I won't take it lightly with you. If anything happens to that money. Yes. I am coming with 10 million naira cash. Yes. No, I'm not going to do anything in the bank. I have the cash with me. Before 2 p.m. I'll be there. Just get the workers ready. Yes. It's just for their payment. Thank you. Yes. Alright, dear. See you. Bye.
William.
What are you doing here?
No, I came to check on it.
Would you leave my compound this minute? Open the gate for him. I didn't really take the fact that he overheard my conversation seriously. Not until I was attacked on my way to deliver the money.
Was he alone during the operation?
No, he wasn't alone. He was with some other guys. I can't really figure out how many there were.
Can you identify any of these men?
No, I can't.
And you're very sure you haven't met them before?
I don't know them.
But you're very sure that Toby here is one of the culprits?
Yes, I am very sure.
However, you said he told you he was looking for Abby as at the time you noticed his presence.
Certainly, yes.
Who is this Abby?
Abby is my daughter.
Was she at home as at that time?
No, she was in school. She's in University of Port Harcourt.
So, even the person he claimed he was looking for wasn't even at home. So, afterwards, what happened?
I actually inquired about him on my way out, and I was told he had already left.
My lord, I would like to seek your leave to vacate Mrs. Patricia Thompson from the witness box while I invite Miss Abby Thompson.
Permission granted. Mrs. Thompson, you may step.
Very well. Please don't be seated. Miss Abby Thompson, please step forward.
The whole truth. The whole truth. Nothing but the truth.
Nothing but the truth.
So help me God.
So help me
Thank you very much, my lord. Miss Abby Thompson, the accused here claimed he was looking for you on the very day that the robbery that claimed the life of your only brother occurred. Did you ask the accused to come look for you when you knew that you were not going to be at home?
No.
So, you were not aware of his coming?
No.
So, did you get any text message, perhaps a phone call, as regards to his coming that day or after?
No.
Is he always in his habit to come look for you without permission?
That I can't remember.
My lord, that will be all for now.
We'll take a recess and reconvene later. I rise.
Everyone is looking for survivor, for the right and for the wrong reason. Even criminals are seeking acquittal, while the innocent is fighting for survival. You have to prove your case to be free, even if you have to.
Mrs. Patricia Thompson, this is the statement you made to the police. And in here you stated that you were attacked by masked gunmen. of whom my client is a suspect. My question is, if these men were masked, how could you tell my client was one of them?
Would you leave my compound this minute?
There's somebody in the car!
I saw the wristband on the hand of the gunman that killed my son.
So, because you saw an exact shirt and wristband, is that enough reason to call my client the killer of your son?
Yes. I believe he was the one.
You believe, right? Now, may I remind you that the court of law has no bearings on beliefs, but of facts. Now, let's talk about facts. Are you telling this noble court that you're certain my client was one of your assailants?
I am certain Toby was one of them. He was the one that killed my son.
If I'm right, you're not only an architect by profession, but also a visual artist, correct?
Very irrelevant, my lord.
My lord, it is very relevant to my next line of questions.
Yes. Mrs. Thompson, you have 2 degrees, one in visual arts and the other in architectural designs, right?
Yes, my lord.
Defense counsel, you may continue.
Thank you, my lord. Mrs. Thompson, I've seen your paintings and they are awesome. I must say, I'm a huge fan.
Thank you very much.
Now, going back to your statement with the police, you stated that you were attacked by masked gunmen. So, to enable the police apprehend these culprits, please, can you help us? Please. Take this pen and paper and sketch precisely the faces of the masked culprits. I want to put it to you that this trial is not just for trial's sake. This trial is to ascertain if my client is culpable of the crime you accused him of. Now, my lord, Mrs. Patricia Thompson just told this honorable court that one of the masked suspects is my client. Won't you agree that if she can see behind the mask, then she can describe the faces of other culprits?
I think I find some merits in the argument of the defense counsel. You may proceed.
Please, the sketch.
I don't think I can.
You don't think you can, or you don't know the suspects behind the masks?
I was only being suspicious because he was there when I made the call. I saw him around when I was making the call in my house. And the same clothes he wore that very day was exactly what the gunman that shot my son wore. Even my driver was around the premises. He is my witness.
One more question. Mrs. Patricia Thompson, are you a vindictive person?
Objection, my lord. Very irrelevant and inflammatory.
Objection overruled.
Thank you, my lord. Mrs. Patricia Thompson, let me put it this way. Are you a faithful wife to your husband, Mr. Thompson?
I decline to answer that.
Do you know what I see when I look at you?
I don't know and I don't care.
Oh, I assure you that you would like to know when I prove to this court how morally bankrupt you are.
Objection, my lord.
Objection sustained.
My lord, that will be all for now.
My lord, my learned colleague here is trying to assassinate the character of my client, which has got nothing to do with the trial at hand. We are talking about a criminal case here.
Walking on the sinking sand, walking on the sinking sand. I'm walking on the sinking sand.
Dad, you've been moody.
Have I?
Yes. And I know it's about Mom's invention of the fidelity question posed by defense counsel.
Really? Alright, tell me.
My question is, what does such question has to do with criminal charge?
Well, you know, lawyers have their ways, somehow. You saw what the lawyers did with the information they had regarding your mother's skills in visual arts. Didn't you see it?
In a sense, you are suggesting that Mom could be cheating on you.
Well, I am not
Come off
suggesting
it,
that.
Dad. You and I know that Mom is capable of so many things. But I don't think cheating on you is one of it. I don't think so.
Well, what do I have to say? All I can tell you now is that I'm observing. That's what I'm doing. I'm observing.
Just have to cheer up, okay?
Okay. Well.
Toby, someone is here to check on you.
Where is she?
I don't know. Are you set to go or not?
Ready.
Come here. Don't move.
Why are you here?
Back in court earlier today, your lawyer made mention of something that got my attention.
Let me guess. The question on your infidelity which you couldn't respond to?
I do not know what you've disclosed to your lawyer, but I am here to warn you. You better withdraw anything you feel you must have told her if you want this case to end well for you.
You're scared that your secrets will come to light, right?
I am not scared. I only have a reputation to protect.
Like I don't have anything to lose for being locked up here for a crime I know nothing about.
Well, you robbed me at one point and killed my only son. I am sure it was you.
Really?
Yes.
Are you saying this is not some sort of witch hunt?
I said I have a reputation to protect. You better put a stop to whatever surprise you're planning to spin. Then I will make sure the charges against you is dropped.
This is very touching. So now you prefer your reputation over the justice of the mother of your son? Oh, what a reputable mother. Well, we don't have a deal.
I know we will before the next trial, but if we don't, I will not be held responsible for whatever follows.
Is that a threat?
This conversation is over. Thank you, Mr. Toby Ojukwu.
Have you ever been lied against? Lied against? Do you even understand how it feels to be lied against? To be accused of a crime you know nothing about? This is just a thing.
Well, leader, who is that woman that keeps pushing you?
The woman I told you people about.
Patricia.
Yes.
What does she want?
She wants to make a deal with me.
A deal?
So what kind of thing is that?
She's scared. She's scared that her secrets will come to light.
I see.
Sorry, I actually dozed off.
Dad, look at the time. It's already 12:50 a.m. You should be in bed, not down here.
Yeah, it's true. I was waiting to see if your mom will return.
My mom?
Yes.
She's not yet back.
She's not.
What is keeping her?
I don't know.
Dad, please, just get up, okay?
To what do I owe this impromptu visit?
You see, I came here just because of the respect I have for you as a colleague. But I'm hoping this never happens again.
What is it?
Caution your clients. Sit her down and have her cautioned.
What do you mean?
I want to put you in the know that your client visited mine 2 days ago. Such clandestine visits should not happen anymore. If not, I'm going to have your client's ass on a cooker. You know what that means?
Seriously? Is that it?
Caution her. Caution her, because I will not meet you for this again. Your client's visit to mine is suicidal. And if she tries any further silly moves, I'm going to put her behind bars.
You can't do that. You can't do that!
Barrister Alex. This is not a threat, but a promise. Now have a nice day.
And when were you even called to bar? Okay.
I got a warning from Barrister Mary earlier today, asking me to caution you from making any further clandestine move towards our client. What did you do?
Nothing.
Nothing?
Yeah.
And what does that mean?
It simply means nothing.
With due respect, ma'am, we are in the middle of a trial. I would not want my own client to jeopardize my effort whereby making all that.
I only tried to help your cause.
The details of which I need to know.
Let it go. What is done is done.
I would advise that you stand down on any further move capable of clutching our wheels to progress. Like she said, any further silly move will be suicidal.
If this is the reason you asked me to see you, this conversation is over.
Madam.
Nothing can subvert my will. No one will decide for me. 'Cause I believe in me. Oh yes, I believe in me. And nothing can subvert.
Good day, sir.
Yes, good day. I know why you're here. Like I said before, why not allow justice to take its course? Huh?
Please, my brother, you are a man like me. Let us put our social status apart and look into this matter properly.
Please.
Toby is like a son to me. And knowing what children are capable of doing is one good attribute of a good father.
Yes, I agree with you. But unmasking the killers of my son is also an attribute of me, the father.
Sir, Toby, my son, is innocent.
Oh.
Yes, sir.
Then, let the court establish that.
Hey.
I am not a judge, neither am I a prosecuting counsel. I cannot pass judgment on whether Toby is guilty or not guilty. It's the court that will do that. So I would advise that you allow justice to take its turn, and then we'll know what to do after then. Coming to my house to plead will not help the matter. It will not. So it's better for you to just stay and see how things will turn out. Okay?
While the innocent is fighting for survival. You have to prove your case to be free. Even if you have to lie to be free. You don't wanna stand for defeat. Oh no. You got to survive. So you got to fight like a soldier. Fight like a warrior. Oh no no no. You don't wanna lose this fight. You don't wanna go down there. Justice. Fuck up! Justice. Oh no. Justice.
Hello, boss. Yes, we've searched everywhere, but found nothing. Yes, we've searched there too. Okay. Boy, no, my lord.
What's happening?
Yes. Mr. Kingsley. Some people just came into my house now. I don't know.
What's up, baby? Got you.
Why? Won't you at least have breakfast?
No.
It's ready.
I'm late. Don't worry. I'll catch you. Don't worry, baby. Got you. Don't worry, I'll be back.
Defense Counsel, you may commence.
Thank you, my lord. Mr. Toby, how can you describe your relationship with Mr. Elvis, the deceased brother of your employer?
Cordial. Very cordial. We bonded like brothers. We never had any issue.
And his father?
Same thing. He treated me like a son. I found in him the father I never had. He is a great father, and I will forever appreciate him for that.
No need to talk about Mr. Thompson, your direct employer. I presume we all know about that. Let's talk about Mrs. Patricia Thompson, her mother. What was your relationship like?
Frosty. Very frosty.
How so?
It all started the first time I saw her. I discovered she was not friendly. But that wasn't my problem because I was employed to do a job.
So what happened afterwards?
A couple of months after, I was in my house. Then I got a call.
And nothing can subvert my dreams. No one will decide for me, 'cause I believe in me. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. No. I will never surrender. I'll never surrender. You see, obstacles may come, but I'll never.
Hello, Toby.
Hello, good evening. Please, who am I on to?
Patricia, Abe's mother.
Oh, Mom. Good evening.
Good evening. How are you doing?
I'm very fine, thank you. And you?
You're welcome. I am aware of your tremendous effort in making my daughter become the best. In fact, I am so happy to have someone as dedicated as you are around.
Thank you, Mom. The pleasure is all mine.
You're welcome. I was hoping to give you a special dinner, dinner treat. Yes, just to register my appreciation, nothing more. How about tomorrow night?
Tomorrow, when I'm done with your daughter, I will be busy at night helping my mother out in cooking.
So, can we make it lunch then?
Lunchtime will be the exact time I scheduled to take Abby on her tutorial.
This tutorial can be skipped. In fact, consider it cancelled.
Ma'am, sincerely, Ebe will not be happy with this development because her exams are around the corner and I wouldn't want her to take it for granted.
Skipping a day's tutorial would not make her fail. To the best of my knowledge, she has never failed any course prior to your employment as her tutor. Oh, let's make it this way. I'll be sending her on an errand while you call her at noon to tell her the change of plan.
Oh, in that case, I should inform her that you are treating me to a lunch and that's the reason for the cancellation.
No. This arrangement is strictly between you and I. Just tell her anything. Find something and tell her. Okay? I'll be sending my driver to come pick you up. Have a good night. Bye. Oh, God. Toby, this one you're like this. Please check if the door is properly locked. Yeah, if it is not, make sure it's locked. Join me in bed. Come on. Toby, what is your problem? This is why you're behaving like a little child. You should know what this is all about. I can't just call you into the hotel for us to come and be, moping at each other. Okay, you know what? I need a massage. Just a massage.
Oh, Mom, please, I don't know anything about massage. I've not done that before.
I'll guide you. I know exactly what I want. Start from my shoulders. Okay? Come, I'll tell you how to do it. Okay? Come this way. From my shoulder. Do now. Yeah. Make it more romantic. Come on. What is it now?
I can't. So, this is wrong.
Excuse me? What is wrong?
The whole thing is wrong. Everything is wrong. Because you know I'm already in a relationship with your daughter. Please, if this is the base of which you want to help me further my education, I'm sorry, I don't want it.
You want to remain the way you are. Isn't it? Please. Toby. Okay. We shall see. Idiots. Interesting.
So what happened next?
That was how the real hatred started. She declared me her enemy. After I promised I was not going to tell anybody what happened.
But did you renege on your promise to disclose this to anyone?
No.
I didn't. I kept to my word.
My lord, if my client could turn down a lifetime opportunity based on his guiding principles, does that not speak volume of a good character?
Not when he does not want to be seen as indebted to her. The tale he told us is anything to go by.
Really? You want to go into that line of argument? My lord, my client here was faced with two opportunities. One was to be a sugar boy and get money from the plaintiff. The second was also to blackmail the plaintiff and get money from her, but he didn't do any of this. Perhaps, Mrs. Patricia Thompson, you would like to take the stand for questioning if you feel my client lied.
Is that a call or a suggestion?
It's a suggestion. Whether she takes it or not, it's her business. Mrs. Patricia Thompson, would you like to take the stand and answer questions pertaining to what my client has just said? If yes, please go to that stand. If no, stay where you are right now. I will take that as a no. Unless the prosecuting counsel here has a question for my client, then I would like to proceed.
Prosecuting counsel, do you have questions for the accused?
My lord, I will pass, but please I would like to call for a recess.
Granted.
Thank you very much, my lord.
Justice. Justice.
Barrister, hold on. What is it?
What is the meaning of what just happened? How come you kept such information from me?
I did not know it would come up. I thought I had it under my control.
Are you kidding me? You did not know it was going to come up. Well, it is not just up. It is splattered all over the world. How do we go about it?
Then fix it. Isn't that why you are hired?
You don't expect me to go in there and fix the mistake that you have already done.
What are you saying in essence?
See, except the police digs out anything substantial after today, we do not have a case after today. Are you very sure that that young man committed a crime? Or is some sort of witch hunt as it appears to be?
Barrister Alex, I will not have you question me anymore. I was robbed and my son got killed at the moment. I have a suspect already. What else do you want? Just get him convicted. I mean, I don't know if you want me to teach you your job or what.
I'm afraid, ma, it doesn't work that way. This is a criminal trial. And at the moment, I do not have much to prove beyond reasonable doubt that he committed a crime.
I do not care how you do it. Just get it done. Thank you, Barrister Alex.
I will never surrender. Never surrender. The pain is getting much, but I will never give up. Cause I am my mother's child. So I will never cry. I will fight.
Barrister Alex, it seems you and your clients were having a squabble. What, if I may ask, is going on?
If you are beginning to think that things will end in your favor, then you were never smart at all.
You know you don't have a case against my client. You're just pushing your luck.
And what is that supposed to mean?
Exactly what you just heard. You see, gone are the days when justice is being stamped upon and the truth swept under the carpet. The judiciary has a new look now.
Save your breath, young lady. You will need it when the time comes. As far as I, Barrister Alex, is concerned, your client will rot in jail, if not hanged.
What a mirage.
Then let's watch and see how it unfolds.
You see, Barrister Alex, except I am not Barrister Mary of Yafulago. You see, if you win this case, then I will drop my wig and gown.
Then my learned colleague should begin to look for a trade, because you're a few steps away from dropping your wig.
Let's see who laughs last. See you in court after recess. My lord, I would like to call Mrs. Helen Ojuku to the stand for questioning.
Justice. 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 Justice.
Madam, are you a Christian, Muslim, or a pagan?
I am a Christian.
Justice. Justice.
Now repeat after me. I, Mrs. Ellen Ojuku,
I, Mrs. Ellen Ojuku,
do solemnly swear
do solemnly swear
that the evidence that I shall give
that the evidence I shall give
in this case before this court
shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. So help me God.
Justice. Justice.
Madam, do you know this young man?
He is my son.
Please, can you describe his character?
He is a very good boy.
Your son has been accused of robbery at gunpoint to the tune of 10 million naira, as well as the murder of a young man in the process.
Not my son. My son is not a criminal.
How do you know for sure?
He is my son. I brought him up. I trained him in a godly way. Yes, we are content in all we have. I know my son is very ambitious, but not to the extent of taking to criminality. He is not like that, not the son I brought up.
Ma'am, this very court believes that the only constant thing is change. Are you telling me that your son is so good that there's no way he can change?
That is what I am saying. My son is so good. He can never be a criminal. For anybody that cares, you can go around my neighborhood, ask questions. They will tell you how good my son is. In fact, I suggest this should be part of your investigation, so you will know. My people will tell you that my son is a very good boy.
My lord, that will be all for now.
Justice. Justice.
Counsels, approach the bench.
As your lordship pleases. My lord, it is obvious that the prosecuting counsel and his team have no case against my client. It's their word against his, without substantial evidence to back up their accusation. So, I pray that this case be struck out of trust.
If you are very sure that your client is innocent, why not you wait and see this case to its logical conclusion, where your client will be discharged and acquitted?
I told you, you're pushing your luck. Tell your client to withdraw from this case and apologize to my client for wrongful accusation.
And if not,
then we will move on with the case. And when I prove to the court that this case is just a vendetta against my client, then we will slap you with a lawsuit of claiming damages for hundreds of millions.
you have no idea of what you are talking about.
Oh, I bet you I do. Just watch and see what happens. I suggest you tread cautiously, because when this trial ends, not only will your client go to jail, but you will give us reasons you should not go to.
I beg your pardon?
Enough. It's okay. I want both of you to go back and think about this case. Then you come and tell me the way forward.
Okay, my lord.
Thank you very much.
My lord, we have reached an agreement for adjournment to enable us to explore further possibilities for a way forward.
Defense counsel, is that the true position?
My lord, before that, I would like to call one more person to the stand for questioning.
You have the floor.
Mr. James F. Young, please come to the stand.
Everyone is looking for survivor, for the right and for the wrong reason. Even criminals are seeking a greater, while the innocent is fighting for survival. You have to prove your case to be free, even if you have to lie to be free. You don't wanna stand for defeat. Oh no. Justice. You got to survive, so you got to fight like a soldier.
Repeat after me. I, James F. Young.
I, James F. Young.
Do solemnly swear.
Do solemnly swear.
That the evidence I shall give.
That the evidence I shall give.
In this case.
In this case.
Before this court.
Before this court.
Shall be the truth.
Shall be the truth.
The whole truth.
The whole truth.
And nothing but the truth.
And nothing but the truth.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Mr. James, in the course of this trial, the plaintiff mentioned you as her driver. How long have you been working for her?
Over a year.
I must say, you are cute.
Thank you.
What sort of relationship do you have with your boss?
Objection. Very irrelevant.
Overruled.
Thank you, my lord. Mr. James, are you a trustworthy person?
Yes, I am.
What if I tell you your boss doesn't trust you?
Did she tell you that?
What if I tell you yes?
Well, I'll guess you didn't hear her well.
So, are you assuring me that she trusts you?
Absolutely.
Then I believe you. So, as a trustworthy driver, you're privy to her business negotiations and so whatnot. Am I right?
Sorry, I don't understand you.
Meaning, as her trusted driver, you know everywhere she goes, what she's doing. Am I correct?
Yes.
Then, you are supposed to be the person standing there where my client is standing.
Objection! A very wide accusation without any proof to back it up. It's like a bombshell that sweeps through the courtroom.
Objection overruled.
Thank you, my lord. My lord, it is obvious that the police didn't do a proper investigation before the arraignment of my client here. And I urge them to do a beautiful job before the next adjourned date. Now, if it will please the prosecuting counsel, I will second for adjournment.
Prosecuting counsel,
My lord.
do you still stand your earlier motion?
Yes, my lord.
This trial is adjourned till the 4th of October.
As it pleases.
So love you this.
Dad, please calm down. Please. Okay? Everything will be fine. Just calm down. Please.
You are asking me to calm down? You are asking me to calm down? After realizing that she's a cheat? Imagine the public disgrace. The ridicule. I have never been so humiliated in the entire life of mine.
That's not what I meant. I'm only asking you to calm down for the sake of your health. Dad, I've lost Elvis. And with what happened today, Mom is off my book. Please, I don't want anything to happen to you. You're all I have left now. Just calm down, please. Please.
Okay. You want me to calm down?
Yes.
Okay. Can you just go and get me a glass of Campari?
Campari? No. Dad, that's an alcoholic. And it's not good for your health.
I already know that. Can't you see that I'm going through excruciating pains here? Oh my God, I'm going through pains here.
Believe me.
Mr. James, you are a very, very smart guy, and I love that. So, and I would like you to come clean with me with all the information we need. You know you're very far away from home, but if you don't give us the information we need, of course, you know, by the time we are done with you, you would wish you will never wasted my time. Where are your crews?
What have I done?
You masterminded that robbery operation, am I right? So where are your crews?
I don't know what you're talking about.
You know what? For the last time, I want to ask you, and I want you to feel free and answer me. Where are your crews?
I said I don't have any crew. You're accusing me wrongly.
I see. By the time we are done with you, you will know.
Hey, I need your bank details. In case you run more than one, you can indicate it there. And also your house address. Oh, do you not have problems with writing? Well, in case you have problems, I can help you. Where do you live? I said, where do you live?
Justice. Don't keep me standing, don't keep me waiting. Justice. Don't keep me waiting, don't keep me standing. Justice. Oh, nah, oh. Justice for the rich. Justice.
So, Mr. Man, are you ready to come clean with us now? Or you want it in a hard way? Tell us all we need to know.
I have a mouth-watering job for you guys.
Yeah, bring it on.
Alright. My boss is scheduled to deliver 10 million naira to a client tomorrow.
So you want us to grab the money?
That's the job. Grab the money and scrap. And at the end of this job, each of you gets 1.5 million, while I keep the remaining 5.5. Hope that is okay.
Good deal.
You guys double cross me, if you double cross me, just consider this the last job you are going to do with me.
You know how we run things, man. Whenever you strike a deal, we keep to terms. I will not be so.
So that means we have a deal, right?
Ah, indeed. Very nice deal. You don't rewire us, we go to solve your problem. So just calm down on your own. Play us as you want me the thing take happen. Now here we day now. Maybe the hotel with day. Even if you want make you day until next week. Now wow, see that tell me. You go deliver them now. No worry yourself. EP, I see him now. You just
no shaking, a cool deal.
Alright. In that case, I will provide you guys with my tools. So you don't need to bother coming with yours. Okay?
Okay, now thank you. You are the boss now. You are the boss. Alright. No issue. I'll keep in touch. No, now we there, no shaking. No worry, watch your back, my nigga.
No shaking.
Another flush.
Ah boy, it don't be you.
Nice.
I tell me.
On this one, don't be bomb better.
Any I be, and see the run now. I based on the business, partner me, partner you.
We don't tie down here now. Flush.
So tell us how we can track down your men. Everything we need to know.
Officer, if you can guarantee my safety.
The safety is guaranteed.
I can lure them to you.
Now move it. Move!
Move it!
Before I blow your tiny skull.
Move it fast!
To be poor, is it a crime? To be a nobody, but nobody's a nobody. Everybody can be somebody. You better be wise now. Walking on the sinking sand. Walking on the sinking sand. What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? Have you ever been lied against? Lied against? Do you even understand how it feels?
Good evening.
To be lied against, to be accused of a crime you know nothing about. This is just a sinking sand, walking on the sinking sand. This is just a sinking sand. What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? Is it a crime? Is it a crime to be poor?
Baby.
So you knew what my mom was up to all this while and you kept it from me. How could you?
It's her life. I didn't find it necessary to tell you about it. That would be snitching, and it could raise an unnecessary dust in your family.
And you think that line of excuse will fly with me or what?
Come on, I gave your mom my word.
Which you finally broke to save your ass. For crying out loud, Toby, we are not just friends. You're my boyfriend.
I am sorry, baby.
If you could keep such secrets away from me all this while, I can imagine other things you've been keeping from me.
Sincerely, I've not been keeping anything away from you. It's just that...
Just that what? You know what? You revealing it to the world the way you did in court had just unsettled my family. And for your information, it's over between us. From now on, the relationship between you and I is strictly going to be professional.
Please. I'm sorry.
You know what? I was averagely doing fine in my studies before I met you. With the much I've learned from you so far, I think I'll be fine on my own from now on. So consider your engagement terminated. You are fired. And it's taking effect immediately.
Maybe you are reacting unnecessarily. Why can't you just allow me to talk to you?
What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? Have you ever been lied against? Lied against?
My lord, I wish to inform this noble court that fresh fact has emerged concerning this case. After carefully analyzing these facts, the prosecuting team has come to the conclusion that the arraignment of Toby in the said crime was an error.
So, what do you propose?
That the accused person be discharged and acquitted. And now that we have the real culprits in our custody and they are also in court.
Objection, my lord.
Sustained.
My lord, the plaintiff must be made to apologize to my client in 3 national dailies. Also, the sum of 20 million should be paid to my client for wrongful accusation and the attempt to tarnish his image as a young, proficient youth of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. That said, there will be no further charges.
My lord, 20 million naira is like asking for too much. I would want my learned colleague to also consider the fact that my client, the plaintiff, lost his only son in this case.
That's got nothing to do with my client. My client was detained for a crime he did not commit. Put yourself in his shoes and tell me how you will feel. My lord, like I said earlier, if my client is settled as proposed, then there will be no further charges.
Prosecuting counsel, what do you propose?
My lord, I will want a recess. Please.
This court will reconvene in 1 hour.
The court pleases, my lord.
Have you ever been lied against? Lied against? Do you even understand how it feels to be lied against? To be accused of a crime?
I know you are capable of many things, but it never ever occurred to me that you could so demean yourself and the name of this family by messing around with little boys old enough to be your sons. Well, you know what? You have your life to live, and you can live it the way you wish. Yes, I also have my own life. I'm going to live my own life the way I wish. By the way, you should expect a letter of divorce from my lawyer. Yes, by the time we are through with the funeral of our late son. Nonsense.
You know what I regret most? Having you as my mother. No. Though I wasn't there, let me guess. I regret the very day my father chose to make you my mother. I hate you.
You even understand how it feels to be lied against, to be accused of a crime you know nothing about. This is just a sinking sand, walking on the sinking sand. This is just a sinking sand. What am I gonna do?
Mr. James Effiong, you and your gang stand accused for the robbery that claimed the life of one Elvis Thompson on the 15th day of May. You are charged with armed robbery, murder, betrayal, and illegal possession of firearms. How do you plead?
Guilty, my lord. I already know my fate. I mean, our fate. I know that the penalty for the crime we committed is death sentence by hanging. We accept our fate. At least let it be a warning and also a lesson to everyone out there, especially the youth who are desperate to make it by all means and don't mind going the wrong way. I would like to advise everyone that are hearing me now to do the right thing and keep their hands clean. Thank you.
Granting this request, the first accused, Mr. Toby Ojukwu, is hereby discharged and acquitted without conditions. The plaintiff is by this judgment requested to apologize to the wrongly accused person, Mr. Toby Ojukwu, in whichever way she deems fit, on the basis of compensation within 14 days. Having gone through the investigations conducted on this matter, James Effiong and his gang are hereby guilty as charged. You are hereby sentenced to 15 years imprisonment with hard labor. This is my judgment.
Have you ever been lied against? Lied against? Do you even understand how it feels to be lied against? To be accused of a crime you know nothing about. And nothing can subvert my dreams. No one will decide for me, 'cause I believe in me. Oh yeah. Surrender. I'll never surrender. You see, obstacles may come, tempests may rise, but I'll never surrender. I will never give up. I will never give up dreams and my future. You can lock me down, but you can never ever take away the spirit. I'm a survivor. I'm a survivor. Oh no, yeah. I am innocent. Yeah, I am innocent. Yeah, say I am innocent. I am innocent. Hear me. Oh yes, I believe in me, and nothing can subvert my way. No one will decide for me, 'cause I believe.